Hey everyone, Carlos with Idahome Smiles. I am so excited to share with you the newest addition to our at-home teeth whitening products, the Arctic Frost PAP teeth whitening strips. They feature our clear, dry PAP solution, making sure that the strips stay on your teeth, don't slide around, and get you the best teeth whitening results with literally no sensitivity. Each package features a top and bottom strip set, making sure that you have everything you need to maintain your brightest smile possible. The best thing about these strips, they're clear, they're dry. Our Arctic Frost strips include easy to read instructions, making sure that you know exactly how and when to use them. And we include a teeth shade guide so you can track your results. Just apply the top and bottom strips, leave them on for 30 minutes to an hour, and maintain your brightest smile possible. So why wait? Order your Arctic Frost strips. And remember, Idahome Smiles is the service to get your brightest smile possible and the products to keep it bright.